In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to delete story on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. Your stories will appear here. You have to click on the stories. Now click on the three marks. After that, you can see different options and click on deleted and click on delete. Your story will be deleted from your phone. This is the method that how you can delete your stories on your phone on TikTok app. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks a lot.